What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 super simple, easy to use, powerful hypnotic language patterns that many of them you're already using, and then you can start using them with intention to hypnotize yourself and also put other people in trance. So let's start with my favorite word. And if you watch this channel, you've probably heard me talk about this word a lot, and that is imagine. The word imagine is an anagram for I'm a genie. And the reason why is because everything starts first in our imagination. And the word imagine allows you to bypass your own critical faculty or the person that you're working with to allow your suggestions to sink into the subconscious mind. Now, I have videos on my channel that I talk a little bit more in depth in this. And just to give you a brief overview, if you've ever tried to say an affirmation of something that wasn't currently true to your reality, you may have felt as though your mind isn't accepting it. Maybe even caught yourself saying, yeah, that's not true, or I'm lying to myself, and it might have even made you feel worse. Matter of fact, hit the like button if you know what I'm talking about. Now, if we insert the word imagine instead, it allows you to bypass. So really quick, let's test this out. And I want you to say to yourself, I'm a millionaire. I'm assuming 95% of the people watching this are not millionaires just because that's the statistics. So if you say, I'm a millionaire, your brain goes, no, you're not. That'll never happen or whatever. As soon as you say, imagine I am a millionaire, we bypass the critical faculty that rejects those affirmations. And now that we've bypassed critical faculty, we can allow those suggestions to sink in. So hit the like button if you have felt the difference between just saying the affirmation versus imagine, okay? The second hypnotic word or words is picture this, okay? When you say picture this, what you're doing, number one, is you're captivating the person's attention. And hypnosis is all about creating and capturing attention and focus. And number two, you're beginning to create pictures in their mind, okay? So let's say, for example, you were selling some type of travel services. You go, hey, you're going to go to Hawaii. It's going to be amazing. You're going to go onto the beach and you're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, good. Now, picture this. You're in Hawaii. You're on a beach, having an amazing time. You're having fun. You see and feel the difference. Okay, I pretty much said the exact same thing. However, I started the sentence off with picture this, and your mind immediately started creating that image. So by creating these images in people's minds, we can start to create the emotion from the image, right? From being on the beach and having fun, which then will create action, right? So this is a great way to motivate yourself or motivate others. Picture this. You're in the best shape of your life. Everywhere you show up, people just can't keep their eyes off of you because of how beautiful you are, how in shape you are. You're just glowing. Just imagine that. See, now we're starting to put them together. You see that? Okay. Type picture this in the comments if you're going to start using picture this as one of your hypnotic language patterns. All right, next. Notice, okay? Notice is another one of those words that get people to focus on what you're saying. So I want you to notice how the sound of my voice amplifies as you begin to focus on the sound of my voice. Notice the feeling of your feet on the floor or in your shoes. Notice your lungs breathing in and out, in and out. You see, if I just said, hey, your lungs are breathing in and out right now, you may not put, excuse me, we'll just leave this in, it doesn't matter. You may not put as much attention on it, but if I say, notice you're breathing in and out, now your attention goes there, which again will create that trance-like state. So start to put notice. By the way, you know a good thing to do? If you just comment these words in the chat, you can come back to this later on and look at them. It's kind of like taking notes. And then also anybody that's watching in the future, they can just see what the words are, okay? Number 4 is remember. Now, anytime we say the word re before a word, we're making the person relive it or experience it again. And what this does when you say remember or relive, right? whatever the word you want to use, you're causing them to start to go into their past memories, okay? And our subconscious mind is what holds all of our long-term memories. So if I say, remember where you were yesterday when you were having lunch. That's not your conscious mind that's going for that memory. That's your subconscious mind that's starting to give you access. Remember the school that you went to growing up as a kid, right? So when you can use this, again, we're causing people to have to go into their long-term memory, which puts them into trance because they're accessing the subconscious mind, all right? Number 5, discover, all right? The word discover excites the imagination. It gets people to feel like, wow, I'm discovering something new, right? So if I say in this video, which I did, something similar to, hey, I'm going to share with you 10 of my favorite hypnotic language patterns. Okay, good. Now, if I say in this video, you will discover 10 powerful hypnotic language patterns to automatically put other people into trance. You see how the word discover just kind of captivates your attention? You're like, ooh, there's like a secret or there's something I'm uncovering. So start using this. And again, and here's the trick. You start weaving these in together, right? Just picture this for a moment. You're on the beach in Hawaii. The weather is perfect. The water is warm. And you just feel so at peace. Imagine how much fun you're going to have on this vacation. And notice those internal feelings of joy, of harmony, of internal peace. Remember what that feels like on a day-to-day basis. And when you go on this vacation, you will discover all the amazing things that Hawaii has to offer. Isn't that pretty cool? How many of you want to go to Hawaii now? Hit the like button if you want to go to Hawaii now. All right. So again, weave these in to your regular conversations. All right. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's talk about it. Okay. Number 6 is experience. All right. Again, these are all words that get people in their feelings, in their emotions. We do a virtual event and also in-person event called the Infinite You virtual event. And we actually call it a virtual experience, right? It starts to activate all of our senses to get us to experience what it's going to be like, right? So it's Infinite You virtual event or Infinite You virtual experience. You see the difference there? Again, we start to get people to tap into their imagination and wonder like, ooh, what's this going to be like, right? So again, start weaving that into your conversation. Number 7 is awaken, all right? Awaken. Isn't that so powerful? It almost feels like something in your chest is like rumbling and it's like, oh, it just wants to come out and really just almost explode or just step into your power, right? So again, when we use these types of words, we start to really tap into the different senses, what we see, what we hear, how we feel. You can even go into what we smell and what we taste. That awaken the confidence within you. Doesn't that sound so much better than, hey, you're going to feel so much more confident? No, we are going to awaken the confidence within you. It's like, ooh, that word awaken just makes you feel it, right? So good. Next, which is similar to discover, which is uncover. Uncover the secrets of hypnosis by going through my training. Uncover how you can have a transformational impact on your loved ones and the lives of others. Uncover the secrets of the subconscious mind and crack the code of success. Doesn't that sound so much better to, hey, come to my training or, do this hypnosis thing? No, we're going to uncover exactly what the keys are to help you really create the life that you want, okay? Number 9 is transform. And if you want to play with this one, you can call it transform. I actually have a 5-day in-person event that I do, and it's called Transformation, but it's called Transformation. You like that? Transformation 2.0, how to upgrade your mental software. So, I actually learned this from one of my hypnotherapists. When we talk about change often, change is kind of a weak word when it comes to what we're really creating. We're not creating change, we're creating transformation. It almost gives you this feeling of that everything, it's almost like a complete renewal of who we are, right? So again, you begin to transform your thoughts. You begin to transform who you are. Again, these are very, very powerful hypnotic words. And last but not least, expand. Expand. Again, it creates that feeling of just openness, of the feeling that you can do anything, right? Expand your mind, expand your possibilities, expand who you are. All right. So again, folks, if you could do me a huge favor, type in the chat or in the comments, what was one or two of your favorite words that you're going to start to use, and how are you going to use them? I'd love to know, and I'd love to chit chat back and forth and see how I can help you start to implement some of this stuff. And also, if you love hypnosis, you're like, man, I want to go deeper. I want to learn hypnotic language patterns. I want to learn how to transform myself. I want to learn how to help others. You feel called to that purpose. I have a free hypnosis training down in the description, which is going to give you the Hypnosis Basics 101 so you can really understand how you can start having an impact on others. So if you want to get access to that, click the link down in the description. We'll see you guys in the next video.